Good morning, my brother and sister. My name is Engineer Ben Mulele. My brother and sister, this uh, this community is all about let fight poverty and fight climate change and let make peace in our community worldwide. I mean, this community is a cloud nation. Cloud nation is like online community. Cloud nation is online community. Now, we need to fight poverty, my brother and sister, because you see today we are having many things all over the whole world. We're having a lot of challenges. We're having a lot of problem. If you see, everything is because of poverty, and because of poverty, you see now we start facing climate change. We start facing a group of terrorists coming up worldwide. Now, I don't know. I'm just your brother. I'm just feeling myself. I'm feeling this. All those problems we're facing today is even I myself. I'm facing poverty. I'm facing all those challenges. That's why I decided to create this community. Let's rescue our planet Earth from poverty, climate change, and let make peace reign. Let make peace in our community worldwide. That's we have to try to. Is not to try, because the point is this: is not to try. Is let's start today. Let's start today. Is everything is not difficult, because my brother and sister, I'm just I, I'm a network engineer in my profession. I'm a network engineer. I was working with a direct on PC company in Nigeria, West Africa, in Port Harcourt. In Port Harcourt, in River State, capital of River State. I was working with that company since 2002 to 2013. When the new technology take over, new technology take over means that time when I was working with direct on PC, our duty was to connecting Nigeria to internet. We used to connect in Nigeria to internet through satellite. Now, what we did is we have our own NOC. NOC is just like a switch, it's a hub in Lagos, and we link our customer through satellite. That we pass the internet through satellite from our Lagos office to the whole West Africa. It's a true satellite. I'm just trying to explain my own professional life. Now, that especially is a technical work. Now, some people you can ask, how are you passing the internet through this thing? It's just a simple. It's just a network. It's the network. Even now, like I'm talking to you on this platform, I'm passing to you through. Is some of my voice coming to you through satellite, some is coming through fiber optics, and I'm sure It's coming through satellite and it's coming through fiber, because the today technology now, the fiber is the fastest way to communicate, to connect the whole world. Now the internet is working with the fiber optics, because we can still use the satellite network, but the satellite network is an old system. That's why I told you, when the technology took over, it was changed, changes happen on the internet. That's mean, you see, from the if you know about how internet network works, we have 2G, we have 3G, we have 4G today, and some of the country like China and the other people now, they are moving to 5G. 5G is going to be very fast, and the bandwidth is going to be very small money. Now, what I'm just trying to explain, but the problem is this: the main problem today is let's rescue our planet Earth from poverty, climate change, and let and make peace. Sorry, and make peace in our community worldwide. What's the meaning of this? I know is what God told me. All the dreams are just, they'll be coming to you just like you'll be seeing, like you see like a small vision on your head there. And when you just sleep, or you just the thing you just by thinking or something like that. By thinking, you'll be seeing some things coming on you. That's what I'm saying. Let's start fight poverty. Let's fight poverty by, I mean, let's rescue this our planet Earth. Let's rescue this our planet Earth from poverty, climate change, and make peace in our community worldwide. Please, all those things, what I'm going to do is this. I want to make this community worldwide community, because this were vision and mission. This were vision is going to reach, is going to help more people worldwide. That is, we're going to fight poverty with the power of internet. The power of internet. That is mean, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring one of our partner sites, so that all of us, we join the site to make our own first $2, to make our own first $2. That is, when I will bring that site to make our own first $2. And please, this message I'm sending to you now is going to be on the YouTube platform. Please, I want you people to subscribe on this YouTube channel. Let's rescue our planet Earth from poverty, climate change, and make peace in make peace in our community worldwide. Please, God bless all of us. I'm sure we are going to do it. We use the power of internet to fight poverty. I promise you, God is going to help us. Let love lead. Thank you, my brother. Please, don't forget, I'm going to send the link. I'll put the link. Even this message, I'm going to put in that YouTube channel. Please subscribe in that YouTube channel, because I know this platform is a WhatsApp platform. But along the way, along the time, we're going to move on a larger platform. There is a big one. A big platform is going to reach maybe more people, maybe thousands and thousands of people. But from now, we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube community. Thank you. God bless you. See you. I'm very happy to talk to you today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless you. We are going to fight poverty. Trust me, my brother. Trust me, my brother. We are going to fight poverty with zero investment. Just follow. It's just like all the community. There's a way it works. Even there's a village community or any community. Well, this is a cloud nation. Cloud community is just like online community. Online community. That is, we are going to be. If you like, you can be in China. You can be everywhere. You can be in Lagos. You can be in South Africa. You can be in Ghana. You can be in Zambia. You can be in UK. You can be in USA. You can be in Singapore, Malaysia, all over the world. We are going to fight poverty. God will bless us. Thank you. Don't forget, please, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Let's rescue our planet Earth from poverty, climate change, and make peace in our community worldwide. God bless you. Let love lead. Thank you.